Hello everyone, it's Sheila back again. I've got another tutorial and I'm going to show how to do, there's two different ribs. There's a 2x1 and a 2x2, and you can see there's one stitch more on this one than that one, and you can see how much tighter that rib is there, but I'm sure how to do these. So I'll show the 2x1 first, and this is just a matter of, it's in multiples of 3 plus 2. So you have to have 2 extra stitches so that you have the same stitches at the finish as what you start with, which is 2 stitches, which is what I've done. So this is just knit 2, and purl 1, 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 knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, and purl 1, knit 2. So this pattern can be used for knitting hats or all over, and that's, well, there's no right side or wrong side because that's the knit side, and when you turn it over it can be used like that with the one row of knit running down, and that row is just knit 2, purl 2, sorry, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1. So it's just the opposite of what you were doing on the other side. Instead of 2 knit and 1 purl, it's 2 purl and 1 knit. And like I said, you can have an all over pattern with, this would be the wrong side normally, but you can have an all over pattern like that with the knit stitch running down and the purl stitches in between. And it makes nice a quiet pattern. You can have it all over a sweater, but it's also a handy one for knitting hats with because it does pull it in a little bit. That was my last 3 stitches. And it's a very easy, nothing to think about. Like you're seeing, it is pulling tight enough if you want to make a hat in that pattern. And then there's the 2x2 rib, which this one is in multiples of 4 plus 2. Then again, if you start with 2, you want to finish with 2. So this one, simple again, it's just knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, knit 2, purl 2, and knit 2. And as you can see, it pulls in quite tight, this one, so it's another one that's good for hats if you want a ribbed hat. And the other side is exactly the same, only instead of starting with knit, you're starting with purl. Like I said, it's quite a good one for, it's the one I've used for hats, little baby hats, you know, you just do a bit rib like that and turn the hem up. And a little pom-pom on the top. And that's a nice little pattern for a hat. And this one, if you want to put it all over, like a sweater or a cardigan, I have seen quite a lot with this as the main pattern. So that's my little bit for today. A little bit later than usual because I've been at my granddaughter's most of the day today. So if you like my video, would like to see more, I'm not sure what I will be showing you next time, but I have to look into what I need to do for basic beginners knitting. So if you like my video, give it a thumbs up and I'll show you what I get round to next time.